We have one more speaker that I'd like to introduce you to, and that is Dr. Trishan Panch, who is our alumni speaker. Dr. Panch has been a leader of the Harvard Chan community for several years now. He is a primary care physician and digital health entrepreneur. He co-founded WellFrame, a digital health company that uses technology to improve chronic disease management, and co-led the company from inception in 2012 to acquisition in 2021. He's also worked extensively in Asia and Europe, both as a clinician and health systems development expert. Dr. Panch is president of our Alumni Association, which I hope many of you will join in the near future, and also teaches both at the Harvard Chan School and at MIT. Trishan, welcome back to another Harvard Chan commencement.
Graduates of the class of 2022, proud parents and families, honored guests, friends, esteemed faculty and staff, Honorable Dean Kim, and distinguished commencement speaker, Dr. Mamphela Ramphele. Welcome. As president of the Alumni Association, I would like to welcome you to the family of alumni of the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. We are a 13,000-person strong group representing the entire spectrum of public health. You are joining this community at a unique moment in history when the broad relevance of public health has never been clearer. Dean Williams has helped us identify the frontiers of public health, large intersectoral trends that affect everyone, whatever industry or geography one is in, and whatever one's political persuasion. Multimorbidity and aging, the corrosive impacts of structural and physical violence, confronting climate change, cultivating well-being and nutrition, and conquering pandemics. The latter issue, of course, has been brought into sharp focus in the last few years. Though these challenges are broad and deep, there have never been more tools to address these issues, from machine learning to a new science of teamwork. And yet, the most important resource in the public health toolkit remains its people, you. It is with immense joy that we gather here to celebrate the renewal of this most precious resource today. Our diversity is our strength. As Dean Williams remarked, our Harvard Chan community is committed to pursuing excellence in a way that honors all contributions and seeks to elevate, not erase, all backgrounds. We won't always get everything right, but we will always keep at it. For it is only by embracing this diversity and collaborating with open hearts and minds that we can tackle the world's most formidable problems. So, in this perfect moment, I would like to offer an intentionally imperfect thought that, though intuitive, I fear will otherwise get lost in the mix. That in spite of your considerable intelligence and extensive training, you will continue to be flawed beings, like we all are. No one is normal. In fact, the only people who appear normal are people who we don't actually yet really know. It is therefore vital to have compassion for yourself and for your colleagues in your inevitable successes and your equally inevitable, but much more infrequent failures. Also, I would like you to reflect on the fact that over and above our technical skills, we are all also idealists and lovers. Lovers of a more perfect rendering of this imperfect world. And so to conclude, I would like to read a few lines on this subject that I adapted from The Goldfinch by Donna Tartt, a book about a painting, but also maybe more metaphorically about the beauty of public health and the love and ideals on which it is based. Insofar as love is immortal, and it is, each of you now has a small, bright, immutable part in that immortality. It exists, and it will keep on existing. And each of you now add your own love to the history of people who have loved beautiful things and looked out for them and pulled them from the fire and sought them when they were lost and tried to preserve them and save them while passing them on literally from hand to hand, singing out brilliantly from the wreck of time to the next generation of lovers and the next. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.